Hey there, fellow YouTube creators. Today, we're diving into the 5 most common mistakes that could be holding back your channel's growth. So, let's fix these now and give your channel the boost it deserves. 1. Not having a clear goal. Without a clear direction, your content can get lost in the sea of videos. Define your niche and stick to it. 2. Not engaging with your audience. Your viewers are your biggest asset. Respond to their comments, create polls, and host live sessions. 3. Neglecting SEO. Optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags to make your videos more discoverable. 4. Focusing on quantity over quality. Consistency is key, but ensure your content is engaging and well-produced. 5. Not promoting your videos. Share your videos on social media, collaborate with other creators, and use YouTube's own promotion tools. Remember, these mistakes are easy to fix, so don't let them hold you back. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, keep creating and growing.